Can machines truly challenge human intelligence? That's the question we're tackling today. I'm exploring AI realms, and we're about to explore the exciting clash of AI versus human intelligence. Join us as we uncover the incredible strengths on both sides and see where the future may lead. Point 1. AI's data crunching power. Artificial intelligence excels in processing massive volumes of data at lightning speed. It can analyze patterns, detect anomalies, and make predictions with astonishing accuracy. From predicting weather to identifying diseases in medical images, AI's data processing capabilities have opened up new frontiers. But does this mean it can understand context and nuance like the human mind? Point 2. AI's unwavering consistency. Another remarkable aspect of AI is its unwavering consistency. It doesn't suffer from fatigue or boredom. It can tirelessly perform repetitive tasks with precision, day and night. In fields like manufacturing and customer service, this reliability can lead to efficiency and cost savings. However, can AI truly adapt to unpredictable and ever-changing situations like humans can? Point 3. Human creativity and emotional intelligence. Now, let's shift our focus to the marvel of human intelligence. Humans possess an unparalleled creative spark. We can imagine, innovate, and create art, literature, and music that evoke emotions and transcend the boundaries of logic. Beyond creativity, humans have the gift of emotional intelligence. We understand complex feelings, demonstrate empathy, and build deep, meaningful relationships. Can AI replicate the depth of human emotional understanding? Point 4. Human ability to learn and adapt. Lastly, the power of human adaptability. Our ability to learn, grow, and adapt to a wide range of situations is extraordinary. We can understand context, make judgments based on intuition, and handle ambiguity. This adaptability makes humans incredibly versatile in various fields and situations. Can AI ever match the human capacity for learning and adapting to the unknown? The debate of AI versus human intelligence is not a zero-sum game. Each possesses unique strengths, and the real magic happens when we combine the best of both worlds. AI can crunch data and maintain consistency, while human intelligence offers creativity, emotional depth, and adaptability. The future is about synergy, where we collaborate with AI to unlock unprecedented possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of AI and human intelligence. If this video sparked your curiosity, please like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. I'm exploring AI realms, signing off. Remember, it's not AI versus human intelligence, but AI with human intelligence.